What's up, my LoRyders? It's Monday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I broke down and came to the gym. It's been a week. The hardest part is getting my mindset on leaving the house and coming here. And then the other hard part is when I pull up and I sit in my car for about 15 minutes to get out. But once I get in, I do my workout and I leave. It's gonna be a easy workout today. I probably just do arms, back, and basically a full body. I know I gotta unbig this back because these last two little rolls is they rolling. They rolling on the river. Esther roll and Tootsie roll. But I'm here and I'm getting it done. And while you guys are here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official LoRyder. Okay guys, I just got out of the sauna getting a free sweat. Now I'm about to work. Go to the machines and work out on the machines. And if they're not enough down here, I'm gonna go upstairs and use their machine. And from the looks of it, okay, I see some. I see some. Start this leg thing, you guys. Show you guys. First order of business. Second order of business, this big back. I worked real good on the legs, you guys. They feel like spaghetti already. Now this beast, you guys. I did legs and back. Now this, and then I do arms. Oh, I hate coming here. You guys, I did it. Got my whole workout done. And I don't know what it seems like to you guys because I just showed you the machines that I was on. Lord, I did it. And it's crazy when you take a week off from the gym. It's like starting back over. Crazy. I'm gonna go get back in the sauna and sweat a little bit more. Then I'm gonna leave here and go to the car wash and to the grocery store. And I'm taking you guys with me. You guys got me all day long. You guys got the whole sauna to myself. I'm gonna stretch my towel out and lay down and enjoy some of this free sweat. And then we're gonna head to the store. Car wash first, and then the store. And I might go to at home. We'll see. Whew, you know, okay, my LoRyders. I'm in the car, getting ready to get the car washed. That was a real hard workout. I'm not gonna ever take a week off again. I was sick, but still. It feel like I ain't been to the gym in about a month, but it's only been a week. Guys, I'm in this store. I'm gonna need some butter. Unsalted butter. Don't need more juice. But I do need some milk. And eggs. And get mine. Where's the turkey bacon?
I just heard somebody talking about it right here.
Let me see. You gotta get the right. Where? Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, this is the right one. Have my turkey bacon. And I'm out of here, you guys. Out of here. This right here is my weakness, you guys. Ooh, this is my weakness. But guess what? I gotta reward myself with something. That used to be my breakfast of champion, Cheetos and a cup of coffee. And I wouldn't get hungry all day long. So yeah, that's it. I don't need anything else from in here. Yep, I have everything I need. So I will see you guys when I get, let's go down this way. When I go to the, okay, I got the lettuce, tomatoes, avocados, lunch meat. I got the French rolls at home. Okay, yeah. Oh, how cute. Ooh, my granddaughter would love one of these necklaces and bracelets. I'm not, you know what? I just took her and she always spent $20 at Five Below. Let me get up out here, you guys. You guys, when I was leaving the car wash, my car had the nerve to act like it was gonna turn off. So I quickly pushed on the gas. So I'm getting my butt home so that, well, out of the store, so that it better start or somebody gonna be mad. You guys, that fruit was so good the other day. I have to come back and get me some more. I got mango, pineapple, and watermelon. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it get real cold. But this time I'm not gonna put the tahini on there. I'm just gonna let them put the lemon juice on there. This card is always so clean. Okay, guys. I am back home from the gym. I went to the store. I went to the car wash. And then I saw the fruit man. I got fruit from on Saturday, and it was so good and fresh. So I had to stop and get me one. And I showed you guys that. I didn't show you the fruit, but here's the fruit, you guys. His fruit is so fresh. Watermelon, mango, and pineapples. That's going in the refrigerator. Got smoked turkey wing from the store. And I got some eggs. And I got 2 packs of turkey bacon. And I got some hickory turkey breast. There's some provolone cheese. Shredded lettuce. Fish fry. Butter. Cheetos. And milk. You guys ready to put this stuff up? Go upstairs, take a shower, shampoo my hair, then come back down here and make me some breakfast because I'm hungry. It's 1:25 p.m. and I haven't had any breakfast. I just had some coffee and a banana. And I was gonna say something else. And when I was outside, it was 113 degrees. So by the time it's 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, it's for sure going to be 116 or 117. But just know I am not going back out there for nothing. Okay, guys, I decided to make my breakfast first. And I took catfish out yesterday, 3 pieces, and I didn't make it, and I don't want to go back. So I put it back in the refrigerator. So with that being said, I'm about to fry these little 3 pieces of fish. I need to wash these few dishes, but I'm not about to do it right now, you guys. I am drained. That heat ain't no joke. I don't put nothing else. Put a little bit of pepper in and the seasoning because it's already seasoned. The pepper. Take that up. I got my fish soaking in egg wash and milk with no seasoning because the seasoning will do its thing. And I just take it out of there. Let that drip off. Put it in here. Do the same thing with the other pieces. See? 3 pieces. Fish nugget, if you will. I already have the grease warming up. Shake it up. I'll be back when I put it in the skillet. Now I'm just scrambling an egg, a couple of eggs. Show you guys the fish. It's frying. Oh, that was a toast done, toast done. Toast is done now. I'm doing some lazy in the day. I'll show y'all what some grits hitting on and looking like. I'm tired. Bring the fish over. Okay. That. Because I am making a big, big mess. That's what I get when I'm tired and I'm rushing. I usually make a mistake and make a mess. And that's what I'm doing right now. Whew. Just like this. In the house. In the house. So let's make two eggs. Every day and a glamorous day, you guys. And today ain't one of them. Neither was yesterday or the day before. So you guys, I went and made my grits in a cup measure because that's what I measured the grits in. A cup of water, 1/4 cup of grits for 1 serving. I don't need big balls for that. Ooh. And these grits are the perfect consistency, you guys. What do you guys eat your grits with? Salt and pepper? Or sugar? Let me know. Let me know. A little pepper in here. A little bit of seasoning salt. Now, just mix up. Put some cheese in my grits, 'cause I like my grits cheesy. Stir them up and put cheese on the grits. I'm not gonna put cheese in the eggs. Take the juice out, so we have some juice with it. Take the time to put this. Fire off some of that fish. Fish is done. Eggs are done. Oh yeah, this kitchen guys, it's just a hot ass mess. Cause I chilled yesterday big time. Mix these grits up with the cheese and butter. Now with my eggs, my toast, and my catfish on the salsa. Let me get my toast. I don't know why I make 2 pieces of toast, but I don't even like bread like that. Put some jelly on the toast. Might as well jelly this one up too. And me eating breakfast this late, I probably won't even eat dinner. I'll probably eat that fruit. That fruit will be my dinner. Let me take this over here, then I'll let you guys see it. Ooh. I am truly tired, guys. And there you have it. Catfish, eggs, toast, and grits with cheese in it. Looks delicious, huh?